seamlessly transform your Figma masterpiece into a functional Android app with this definitive guide. First, ensure your Figma file is organized and ready for export. Think of it as prepping your ingredients before cooking. We'll start by exporting the necessary assets from your Figma design. Navigate to the specific elements you need, whether it's icons, images, or even entire screens. Select the layers or frames you want to convert into your app's resources, then utilize Figma's export functionality for optimal results. Consider exporting as vector graphics like SVG or high-resolution PNGs for images. Once exported, you'll have your design assets in a format readily usable by Android Studio. Now, let's bring these assets into your Android Studio project. Open your project and locate the appropriate drawable folders, typically Race, Drawable, or Race Mipmap. Drag and drop your exported Figma assets directly into these folders within Android Studio. This makes them accessible within your XML layout files. With your assets now in place, you can start building your UI in Android Studio. Open your layout XML file, the canvas for your app's interface. Begin by adding UI components like ImageView for your images, then reference your imported Figma assets using their file names in the appropriate attributes, such as Androidsk. For more complex elements or entire screens, you might replicate layouts using Android's building blocks: text view, constant layout, linear layout, and button. Use your exported assets to match your Figma design precisely, whether it's for icons, backgrounds, or decorative elements. The magic happens as you visually construct your interface, ensuring every pixel, color, and element from your Figma design is accurately represented in your Android application. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your Figma designs into Android Studio, paving the way for efficient and accurate UI development.